guys, Lauren here from Brownlows, another arrival into us today, and what a true beauty she is. We have this 320i M Sport xDrive GT. M Sport Pro Pack, front and rear parking sensors, adaptive LED headlights, front and rear parking sensors, bi-coloured 19-inch alloy wheels with those M Sport brake calipers as well, which is part of the M Sport Pro Pack. Harman Kardon surround sound, sun protection glass, the list goes on. Full BMW service history, full leather sport interior as well. Let's take a jump on the inside and I'll show you there now. Onto the inside of the car, you've got your full leather interior with that blue contrast stitching. The car is automatic. As per with any BMW, you've got your different drive modes. So the car will always be in comfort, but you do have the option for Eco Pro and Sport. Of course, BMW iDrive, full service history on here for you as well. All your climate controls, including your heated seats, cruise control, DAB radio, Bluetooth connectivity, and like I said before, that all important Harman Kardon surround sound system as well. Massive specification on this car with only 65,000 miles on the clock. This car will not be around for long, extremely rare with that M Sport Pro Pack as well. And the car is absolutely immaculate. It would come with a full 12 months MOT, no advisories, serviced, a 3-month warranty and a 12-month EE breakdown cover for you as well. You can find the full specification on our website brownlowscars.co.uk, but this will not be around for long. Give me a call. My name's Lauren. I'm from the sales team here at Brownlows. The number is 01325 484 870.
Welcome to Brownlows Cars. If you're looking for great savings on quality used cars, be sure to like, subscribe, for more updates on our latest stock and amazing deals. Join the Brownlows Cars family today.
Brownlows Cars, the name you can trust. 351 Horton Road, Darlington, DO1 2BP, 01325 484 870.